All right, so from concept to creation, they customize every decor piece and furniture pieces for their clients. So with me now to speak about how you could make your events looking special this summer, and I suspect the whole year, Innovant Creations Managing Director Eugenia Wilson, who's beside me, and Managing Partner Troy Reed. Morning to you both.
Morning.
Welcome to Smile Jamaica. It's morning time. Julie, what is Innovant Creations, please?
Sure. So Innovant Creations is a decor company, and we cater to festive soirees, for example, weddings, and we also do corporate events.
Yeah. You see how she both say already, soiree. It just means like a party in the afternoon and things. That's what soiree means. I know these things. Why you wanted to start this?
All right. Well, we had a need to express our creative side. We were both in the corporate, the finance industry for a while, and we realized we had creative skills, and our passions way surpassed the office desk, you know, behind the office desk. And we went for it.
So it was scary?
It was a lot of anxiety.
Yeah?
Really, we were led by faith, you know, that's it. You know, just being confident in our abilities, the raw talents that we had, and we pushed forward.
So this is your business. This is not a little side thing.
No, man, we invested everything in this.
Yeah. Troy, as managing partner, your role in all of this is what?
So my role, you know, I do mainly the accounting, but separate from that, we do collaborate in terms of the creative aspect. So in terms of the designs that we make, the decor pieces, we handle all of that, you know, being the man, you know. I handle the business as well. You understand? But separate from the decor, you know, we also do furniture pieces.
Yeah, you have some stuff over here.
Yes, man. Some of the chairs that we also do. We also do renovations for resorts and villas.
So where an idea like this would come from?
Right.
You say you're creative and stuff. Where that come from?
From my daddy. My daddy used to be a carpenter, so, you know, and he had a lot of sawdust growing up. And he has a thing for unique pieces, so that need for, you know, like the rustic, creative, unique. I got it from him. That's
okay. They're supposed to have something shape like this, but look a bit different. I can just order it and make it or we just accept whatever you want.
No, man, we collaborate together and we try. I give my input, but I ensure that I customize it around your style and your needs and what, you know.
All right. This is, Richard, I can try something. You can turn on, because there are some candles underneath the glass here. Can we get to see that? We can see it, you think? Go down with the light a bit, make us see if we can see. I think it's kind of nice. I don't know if we're going to get a chance to see it. There are some lights underneath. Yeah, well, it's kind of difficult to see, but there you go. So the lights are underneath. Quite nice. Yeah, man. It's beautiful.
And we also do the wooden vases as well. That's inspired by my father.
It's beautiful. You can see the lights there. It is really beautiful. You have a physical space where I can come and look at stuff?
We're mainly based online for now.
Mainly?
Based online, yes.
You could leave it, maybe kind of like the little quiet looks. but we need to try. And Eugenia, because we're not going to see them. So how long something like this would take you to put together?
In terms of creating it or setting it up?
Making it and everything. From thought to finish.
From thought to finish.
From concept to creation. So normally what happens, depending on the difficulty of the design, that would really depict on how long it would take.
And this would be just coming out of your head, you know, just
right.
Pretty much, yeah.
We could try it.
Right. So, you know, our other partner, Chris Murray, he's the lead engineer per se.
Yes,
so
yes.
Whatever we think, he brings it to life.
Yeah.
And you use a specific kind of wood or any kind of tree, just grab the tree and just make
it depends on the theme. So, like, for example, this is our eco sheet collection. So we mainly focused on using reclaimed wood, hence why we use the pallets a lot.
Okay.
So it depends on the theme.
Reclaimed wood.
Reclaimed wood, so it's eco-friendly.
Okay, beautiful. And then the stones. This is
Right.
really nice.
The stones were the intention of the stones is to create this feng shui, you know, this relaxing feeling. But they're also interchangeable. So we still give you the option to put in like crystals, candles, anything
different
you want
colors.
Feng shui is the thing where tell you where you must put your bed.
Energy, the flow of energy, yeah, man.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man.
You know these things.
Yeah, man.
I'm trying to rate me, and I know these things.
I rate him, man, of course.
Yeah, so I'm still not rate nobody, don't.
Yeah.
What about the I said at the start that if you wanted to nice up your event.
Yeah, man.
All right, so how much lead time? Suppose me I get married, because me and daily out for runway, you know. Suppose
Makes sense. Makes sense.
Suppose we I get married tomorrow and we have a nice little setup. You can do it now one day.
Listen, if we have the availability tomorrow and everything is available.
But ideally you'd want something.
Ideally we would like at least about 2 weeks, but listen, once we're available, We're flexible.
Yeah, but ideally 2 weeks.
Ideally 2 weeks.
Okay, and what, you come in and you talk
Yeah,
to
man,
us
we
and-
have a little briefing, to get a feel of what your personality is like, what your personal taste is, and then we give recommendations. Because sometimes they say, oh, they want this table. Then we realize the theme that you have for the event, we say, okay, maybe we could try this.
Yeah.
If not, if this is what you want, we give you what you want.
Yeah.
But I still recommend.
And I suspect, depending on how fancy we want to get, you might need more time. Might ideally want to climb up to a piece of wood and end up
man.
at the top.
We can do all of that. We can do all of
And
that.
we go up there first and pull her up and you can make these things.
As long as it's safe. As long as it's safe.
It is safe. It's beautiful. I like it.
Thank you.
I like it. And the white kind of bring it up.
Yeah, man. And we can change the colors as well. This is just for, white tend to be very flexible and persons tend to like white. But
Yeah,
we,
man. But it's
we
easy
have,
for dirty too. But,
Right?
but I love it.
But again, it's interchangeable.
It's
So if
interchangeable.
you want a different color,
colours,
you can get it.
we get it done.
So what? Tell me about the furniture now. It's just what? Chairs and
So the
tables?
furniture, it's a wide span of things. You can get tables, chairs, if you want renovations or decorations for your walls. We do all of that.
Yeah, man.
But what we try to do, we don't try and stick to, the traditional way. We try to go to a
Right.
contemporary or
Innovative.
modern way.
What you mean by renovation? When you say we want renovation.
All right, so say you'd have a space or a room per se, or a couple rooms that you'd want to be furnished, or you want us to build certain things to make the space really well, we'll accommodate that and we'll do it accordingly. But what we emphasize though is the creative aspect, so we do things differently than the norm.
Beautiful. All right, so you say you're online. How am I find it?
Okay, so you can find us on Instagram and Facebook at Innovant Creations, or you can contact us via email, info@innovantcreations.com.
Yeah, remember no bad. I say I remember WhatsApp. There you go, Instagram or Facebook.
Yes.
At Innovant Creations.
Feel free
Oh,
to
see,
DM us.
Innovant. I said Innovant.
Innovant. Innovant is French.
I beg your
Yes.
pardon.
Yes.
Merci, beaucoup. I beg your
And,
pardon. Good to meet you both. I love the
pleasure.
stuff. So tell me again, just there it is. Put up that again, because I think you're going to get some calls and people will like your stuff.
Definitely.
So there you could find them right there. You can find them on WhatsApp, which is the only social media I deal with. And then you soon see Instagram and Facebook and all kind of stuff. Great to meet you. Easy
Thanks
cheesy.
for having
no.
us.
Easy cheesy. No. All right. So managing director, Eugenia Wilson, and managing partner, Troy Reed. All right, folks. We take a little break and more and smile when we come back. Stay with us, please. I'm going to catch you on my couch and relax up myself.